tutorial, we are going to learn two new features in Adobe Photoshop. First two is one click, delete and fill. These two delete an object without leaving a mark. First, let us grab our object selection tool. This is our object selection tool. Drag on top of this particular image to select the image. Hold Shift on your keyboard, then press backspace. Let us go to our second tool. The second tool is called Adobe Material Substance. Let's use this image. Remove the background of this image with our eraser, magic eraser tool. Remove the other side too. New layer. Add color to the new layer. You can choose any color on your gradient. Drag your new layer down and then go straight to your Adobe Material Substance. These are the Adobe Material Substance. When you come to this side and you don't find it, you can go to Windows and then Materials, hit on Materials, then bring out the Adobe Material Substance. Select any material that you want. This material looks like 3D, but it is flat on your background. Select this one. You see, it has changed our background and this background looks very nice. When you want to adjust anything, you can come down here to adjust anything that you want. These are the tools that is used to adjust anything. Let us play with it for you to see how it works. Formally, and then you can go down to the other side of the adjustment to just be playing with that place also. Background color variation. Background color saturation. You see, anytime you adjust, it updates here. You see there's an update going on here. And then crystal color saturation. You come to roughness. You can also adjust the roughness of the image. If you are happy with this tutorial, you can please go to the subscription button and subscribe for more videos.